accelerate, accelerate growth. For example, technological advances accelerate growth in the renewable energy sector. His progress at the gym began to accelerate once he hired a coach. Baffle, baffle someone. For example, the ancient manuscript continues to baffle experts with its cryptic symbol. Her sudden change of plans baffled everyone at the meeting. Beckon, beckon someone. For example, the freshly baked cookie beckoned him into the kitchen. Opportunity beckons those who are willing to take risks. Candid, candid discussion. For example, we had a candid discussion about the challenges of remote work. She gave candid answers when asked about her past experiences. Coerce, coerce someone into. For example, no one should coerce another person into doing something against their will. They tried to coerce him into signing a contract he didn't understand. Deliberate, deliberate decision or deliberate slowly. For example, after deliberation, the committee reached a collective decision. He deliberately paused before answering to choose his words carefully. Elicit, elicit a response. For example, her comment was meant to elicit a response, but it fell flat. The survey was designed to elicit honest feedback from customers. Flourish, flourish in. For example, native plants flourish in the region's mild climate. His artwork flourished after he moved to the vibrant art community. Garner, garner attention or support. For example, the campaign garnered widespread support from the community. Her performance garnered praise from critics and audiences alike. Hinder, hinder progress. Heavy rainfall may hinder progress on the construction site. Lack of funding continues to hinder research development. illuminate, illuminate the path. For example, street lights illuminate the path for late-night joggers. Her explanation helped illuminate the complex topic. Impede, impede development. For example, red tape can impede development in emerging economies. His injury may impede his ability to compete. Mitigate, mitigate risks. For example, we took steps to mitigate risks during the merger. Green roofs help mitigate urban heat. Substantiate, substantiate claims. For example, the scientist needed data to substantiate her claims. He failed to substantiate his accusations with evidence. Thrive, thrive in. For example, cacti thrive in dry climates. She thrived in the fast-paced corporate world. Ubiquitous, ubiquitous presence. For example, smartphones has ubiquitous presence in modern life. Plastic pollution is ubiquitous in oceans globally. Validate, validate feelings. For example, therapists often help validate their clients' feelings. He needed someone to validate his experiences.